Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya, and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers, and grow your company. So I will start with your homepage. I can see here that you actually have very nice pictures. You have the location page, well, the back pages, the About Us sections, services, the markets, the resources. This is the blog that you have, careers and contact page. And overall, it's a very easy to navigate front page. Um, you have links to your social media accounts and click to call button over here. In terms of amount of content, you have 137 words. If I have a look at two of your competitors, these guys, Ross and W Water Gardens, Landscaping for Portland, these guys have 966 words, and Prestige, they have 830 words. And the thing is that Google likes to see content. So to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1500 and 2000 words, because through content, Google is able to understand what the website is about, and you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords. So that's an opportunity for you there, is just to focus on actually increasing the amount of content and making sure that you sprinkle buyer intent keywords so that you're actually found and ranked for the relevant buyer, but I mean for the way people perform the search in Google. So I came here to the Google search and I type in landscape in Portland, Oregon. And the first section that you see is the Google ads, which are really good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. The second section is the Google Map Pack, and this section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need um, optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages and Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google business profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. And then the third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search, and to rank here, you first need a website that is correctly built in terms of responsiveness, that is safe, and that has the relevant content. And then you need something that we call backlinks. Here's where I found your competitors. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and in here I can analyze the backend of a website, and I can see that there are 1,510 backlinks pointing to your website, and that is a link on a external website. So in this case, 189 external websites. If I have a look at Ross and W Gardens, these guys have 59 backlinks. This is a landing page for Portland landscaping only. They have 59 backlinks in 11 external websites. And Prestige, they have 189 backlinks in 77 external websites. So they're managing to rank at the top for the search landscape in Portland, Oregon. So the backlink profile is important because this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which website is the most relevant one, depending to the search or the searches that users are performing. So if you are found for the relevant organic keyword, then the backlink profile is the one that is going to determine which website appears first. And you not only want to have more backlinks, but you want to have quality and powerful backlinks, and those are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in. Now, let's have a look at the organic keywords. So you are being found for 305 organic keywords, and in this view, I can see what those keywords are. I actually, let's do a search here for Portland. In this view, I can see what the keywords are. The volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position your website is appearing in the Google Organic Search. So you can see that you're actually ranking in the top positions for your brand, which makes total sense. But then anything beyond the 12th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, so it's going to be really hard to drive traffic. So you have, for example, you are ranking for snow removal Portland commercial landscaping, and you're on the second page of Google, but the search volume is 20, so 3.5 visits to your website. Landscaping companies, Portland, you're on the 17th position. The search volume is 250, but you're in the 17th position. Then you are ranking for snow removal, snow plowing, Portland, Oregon, landscaping companies, 17th position. Let's have a look at these guys. Ross and W Gardens, they are being found for 197 organic keywords. And in here, I can see that they are ranking on the first position for landscaping landscapers, Portland, and the search volume is 350, and because they're on the first position, they were able to get 132 visits to their website. Landscape in Portland, first position, the search volume is 300, they were able to get 111 visits to their website. And the website that is ranking on the first position usually gets between 25 and 35% of the traffic. So you want to identify what are those keywords with the highest search volume, because those are the ones that you want to have in the content of your website so that Google can find you for those. And then by building the backlink profile, you're going to be able to outrank your competitors and grab a portion of this volume, because then it means that a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website, another percentage they're going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. And this is how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information and don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.